We're going to embark on a revolutionary fitness adventure by creating our own AI-powered calorie tracker. You're not going to need any advanced digital skills to make this happen, so it's a great beginner project if you're looking to get into automation. This innovative solution comes from combining cutting-edge technology with personalized coaching, all without breaking the bank. We're going to create this multifaceted health companion by using just Telegram and Make.com. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of building your custom AI calorie tracker. Begin by opening Telegram and searching for BotFather. Then type /new bot and follow the prompts to create your own bot, noting the name and the key. We're going to head over to Make.com, an automation platform for building a seamless process. In Make, we're going to start a new scenario and add a Telegram module as our trigger. Now we're going to connect our newly created Telegram bot to our Make scenario. Add a router to split the workflow into 3 paths: text, image, and voice output. For the next image path, add a Telegram module to download the files. Set up an OpenAI vision module to analyze food images and estimate calories. Create an OpenAI assistant on platform.openai.com with specific instructions for calorie tracking. Add the OpenAI assistant module in Make, connecting it to the image analysis results. Set up a Telegram module to then send the calorie estimations back to the user. For the text input, create a fallback path that sends the message directly to the OpenAI system. And for voice notes, you can do a similar thing where you can add a path with a whisper module to transcribe the audio to text and then connect that transcribed text to the OpenAI assistant for calorie tracking. Ensure that all paths include today's date, and you can do that by extracting it from the Telegram module and including it within your prompt. Now, to maintain a record of our day's calorie, we want to be able to create a thread ID for our ongoing conversations. Test your automation by sending various inputs through Telegram and verifying the responses. Fine-tune your bot's prompts and responses to get the optimal performance and user experience. This doesn't just have to track calories. This method could easily be adapted to track anything: fitness, habits, or even periods, making it a versatile, free alternative to paid apps.